My beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing and doing first impressions of a tanning solution and cacao tanning mousse. And this one is, it says it's 1 hour self tan. It's organic coffee, ginger and blood orange. Just a little bit more about this tanning mousse. So this is organic. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, recyclable, so everything is in the back. So I'm gonna read in the back of the bottle so you guys have more information. So cacao tanning mousse, it's a stunning deep bronze tan without the sun's damaging rays. Our all-natural express self-tanning mousse is suitable for all skin types. Directions, it's you need to exfoliate 24 to 48 hours before application. Also says to apply evenly to clean dry skin. Wash hands after application so you don't, so it doesn't stain your hands. I applied with this mat, this tanning mat. Place your hands inside this mat and you spread all over your body. It's very convenient, you don't get your hands dirty and it spreads really well. This I got at Ulta, it's the Ulta brand. I believe it was less than $4 or $5. This is great that it comes with a pump, and I'm going to do one pump on my hand so you guys can see the foam, the mousse. So it's like that. And I don't know if you can see, it's like a beigey foam. Let's see if it's gonna focus. So it's like a beigey foam, and I'm just gonna wipe that off my hand so it doesn't get tanner. But yeah, that's a really nice foam. Usually I do 2 pumps for each part of my body. So for my arms I'll do 2 pumps spread all over, then I'll do 2 more, do the other arm, and so on. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you with a little clip around here on the screen me applying the mousse, the tanning mousse on myself. First time applying the solution on, and it was really easy. You guys can see it's really easy to spread around your body. So when you're spreading around, you do see like a whitish tint to it, but it goes away as you blend it in your skin. The smell is not overpowering. So it says here it's 1 hour self tan, which that's what I did. I did keep it for 1 hour after application, and then I took a shower to rinse off. Back it says wash off after 1 hour of application for a light coffee complexion, and that's what I was going for. But if you want a darker tan, then you can leave up to 4 hours for a stunning deep bronze tan. So I'm really curious to see the dark tan on this, so I'm going to do another video related to this, either another tanning video or whenever I get to try more products from this brand. In the video you guys can tell, or I probably said on the video, that I was going to tan up to my neck, and I didn't do my face because I do have a few foundations that are, darker to match my tan. I can also mix and match foundations to match my tan. So, yeah, and I also don't like to put on my face just so it doesn't clog my pores, or, I have dry skin. So even though I exfoliated my whole body before doing the tanning, like you're supposed to do with any tan, you're supposed to exfoliate and then do the tan. Okay, so overall I did enjoy this mousse. I would really recommend, just because it's organic, it's good for your skin, it's not gonna do any harm. Also because when I was applying it, it was easy to spread. I had no problem, especially with the mat. I don't know by hands because I didn't try, but it was easy to spread. Also, the smell was not overpowering, was really light, and it didn't bother me at all while I was applying, and also when I stayed the whole hour. But I will try to do the 4 hours, like I said, because I'm really curious to see how the deep tan will look. It's probably gonna look awesome, but I'll try and let you guys know. As to the tan that it gave me, it really gave me the coffee complexion, like it says in the back. It says a light coffee complexion, and I really enjoyed, because now I put a foundation that was a little bit slightly darker than my skin tone was. So like I said, I did up to my neck, so it kind of matched perfectly. Also, after the application, after the 1 hour in the shower, I didn't notice any streaks on my body. Everything blended so well and it looked very good. The only place that I think only on this side, I don't know if you guys can see, just a little bit here, you can see I should have gone a little bit upper and blended a little well on my wrist. But other than that, that's basically my mistake. I should have, you know, it's just a tiny space. It's not a big deal, but yeah, overall it was perfect blending and no streaks. So if you guys are interested in this mousse, this cacao tanning mousse, or any other tanning solutions, they have so many. I just put on my phone here so you guys can see. This is from Green Core Naturals. You guys can follow them too. Try to, maybe I'll just, there you go. I'll just try to zoom in. There you go. Put the light off a little. Alright guys, so maybe, so this is the website, the Green Core Naturals. So maybe you guys can follow them too, and they have a bunch of other tanning solutions. It's not just this one, it's just that I try that one now. And it's actually, I have a picture of it right there. Looks so good. But yeah, so they do have a bunch of other that I really want to try. Look at this picture. Look at that tan. That's crazy. I really want to try all of this. Even though I'm going to vacation soon, in about 2 months. But still, I would love to have a tan. This, like I said, I'm going to link below their website so you guys can get the stuff. And check out also their Instagram page. They have really nice pictures and showing like different tanning solutions. Like this is another one. So yeah, I'm really excited to try their... So yeah, I'm really excited to try the other tanning solutions too, but I will do an update on this for the 4 hours. I'm really curious about that too. Alright, so that's it for this review and first impressions on this cacao tanning mousse. Alright guys, so this concludes this review / first impressions and tutorial. If you guys like this video, you guys know what to do. Thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I will link somewhere here on the screen my other social media so you guys can follow me there. Alright guys, thank you so much and see you next time.